So hello everyone, in this session we will discuss about multi-quadrant operation of an electric drive. So can anyone explain about what is meant by electric drives?
Electrical drives is used to control the speed of the motor.
Good. Normally the electrical drives, right, it's not only to control the speed. Speed is one of the parameters to control. You can control speed, you can control any of the parameters on the motors. How the motors, okay? Here the load will be considered as motor. Okay, so that is electric drives. And here in fourth quadrant operation we have a motor will be operating in four quadrants. Okay, in first quadrant, before going to that, we will just know what is meant by braking and motoring. What is meant by motoring? Anyone? What is meant by motoring? Can you explain what is meant by motoring? Wait. What is meant by motoring?
Motoring means it converts electrical to mechanical.
Mechanical energy. Good. So braking is nothing but it will help to stop the working. It will stop the motoring operation. That is your braking. Okay. So I need 3 volunteers to demonstrate how it works. Normally, the direction of rotation here is anti-clockwise and clockwise. Okay. So when it is, we have 3 parameters. We will be considering 3 parameters here. One is speed, torque, load torque. So this is your first quadrant. First we go with first quadrant. Resistance directly, and we have a loaded cage, empty cage, and counterweight. So this is this side. One side we have a loaded cage, and in one side we have a counter. So normally the loaded cage, keep this in your mind. Normally the pitch rate will be higher. Loaded cage or counterweight. Anyone? Counterweight will be more than weight or loaded cage? Loaded cage. Loaded cage will be more than weight. And if you have empty cage, what about that? Empty cage or counterweight? This will be more than weight. Counterweight. Okay, just be clear with this. And I need 3 volunteers. So, for example, we take some of your friends. One can be demonstrating the direction of speed, one can demonstrate the direction of your torque, and one can demonstrate the direction of your load. Okay? Any one, any 3, I need 3. Go now, guys. So, we have 3 volunteers here. Come here. So, yeah, consider them as a parameter. One can take it as speed, another can take load, another can take torque. Okay. Which parameter are you choosing? Speed. Speed. He is choosing speed. So, normally, know this, if the speed is rotating and if the direction of speed is in anti-clockwise direction, it will have positive sign. If it is rotating in clockwise direction, it is a negative. Okay. So, consider this as anti-clockwise direction. When a person is rotating in this side, this is anti-clockwise direction. When they are rotating in this direction, it is clockwise direction. So, your speed, right? Normally in first quadrant operation, okay, we have loaded weight and we have counterweight, okay, and the direction of motion is in this direction, okay. The direction of motion in this direction. Always keep in your mind the direction of motion and your speed will be in same direction. Okay. So since speed is moving in which direction? Anti-clockwise direction. And since your direction of motion is in anti-clockwise direction, your speed also will be in and become this one. So the speed will be moving in this direction. Yeah. It will be moving in this direction. And what about your torque now?
Opposite.
Torque will be going in opposite side. No. How? You're saying in same direction. See, here your loaded weight is here. Normally, because of gravity, this will come in this direction. Normally, it will move in this direction. So, we need to make it in opposite. We need to make it move in an opposite direction. So, what we do? We have to apply a torque in opposite direction. Okay? So, your torque will also be moving in this direction. Torque also will be moving in anti-clockwise direction. Okay? So, and what about the loaded torque? Why it's clockwise? The loaded torque and torque will be in opposite direction. So this will be moving in opposite direction. Got it? So this is how it works in first quadrant. Yeah, can just take your seats. So likewise, we can go for your second quadrant also. And one thing here you have to know here is, and here your speed is positive since it's an anti-clockwise direction. Your torque is positive since it's anti-clockwise direction. Load torque is okay. So what about your power here? Speed into torque is your power. Okay, what is your speed into torque? Somewhat louder? Positive. Okay. When your power is positive, what about your operation? What about your operation? Motoring. So here your power is positive, so it is motor. And if it is forward or reverse, what will decide? Speed. Here your speed is, so it is. If your speed is negative, reverse. So likewise, you can just have an explanation for second quadrant. In second quadrant, we will be taking an empty cage, okay, and we will be having a direction. It will work in forward braking, and third quadrant will be working in reverse motoring, and this will be working in reverse braking. Okay. I think you can understand just by the direction you can just decide all the things. It can be forward braking, it can be reverse braking. So these are the four possibilities which can occur in your drive. Okay? So that's all of this topic.